Now register the administrator user. Press 1. Press 1. Now press 1 to register fingerprint. Press hash key. Now register the password. Register the card. Put the card here. Here. Quit. Enroll the palm. Press 3. Hash key. Now connect the log to the Wi-Fi. Remote 1. Now you need to open the amp. The application is Tuya application, and then you need to make sure the lock is already connected to the Wi-Fi. It's already connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and now the lock is already on the screen of the amp. Touch end. Now Wi-Fi and password. Touch next. So it's connecting. Okay, successful. And now let's test. Press this to quit. Quit. Now press the bell. Let's see. Okay, answer the calling. Press touch here. Hello. Hello. Hello, talk. And press here. Press here. Open by the Wi-Fi.